And it's Ken Kraetzer. We're at the TriState Engineering Expo at White Plains High School. We've got a team here, came in from Pennsylvania, that's got a BattleBot to show us. And first, you want to introduce yourself and your organization.
Yeah, so we're a part of a robotics league called the First Tech Challenge, FTC. We're a relatively new team in it. This is our second year, and this is our robot down here.
Okay.
So we can take you through the basic features of the robot.
Sure.
So our robot, of course, it has 4 wheels, but it's 4 motors for those wheels. They're all vertically mounted because that helps us keep the robot stable. Because when they're spinning, they all exert downward force. And one special thing about our robot would be these mecanum wheels right here. So not only do they help us in moving forward and backward, but also because their rollers are at a 45-degree angle, they can also help us in moving sideways like this.
Wow.
So, and then another thing about our robot is our slide. So the whole objective of the FTC season this year was basically we would have game objectives like these, right? Cones. We would have to grab them and we would have to drop them, right? And so one special thing about our slider mechanism is she's controlling it right now, but the special thing is she won't even have to touch it, right? It'll close on its own. So, right? And that's the special thing. Another thing we have is, so we also have like something called one-touch controls. Basically, she can use a joystick to lift it, but she can also just press a button and it'll go to a predetermined height. That's the medium height, that's the really high, and then that's low.
Okay.
And then one last thing, we have a touch sensor here so that it can constantly track the position of our slide. So whenever this is pressed, it'll know that the slide is at the bottom, which makes it easier in programming.
That's great. Now you developed this all yourself?
Yep.
How long did that take?
I would say the building of this robot took about 35 hours, and then programming would have taken another 30 hours probably. So in total, with us meeting like 2 days a week for 2 to 3 hours on those days, it was about like a 3 to 4 month project. Okay.
Tell us your name, your first name.
Shreyas.
What your name is?
My name is Viraj.
My name's Kavya.
My name's Rick.
Well, it's very impressive what you put together with this robot, and thank you for demonstrating it and coming to the TriState Engineering Expo. Good to see you. Thank you very much.